I pray with you, brothers. I'm at the mountain. This is your brother, Chireshem Sonda. I'm praying with you. Brothers, let's remember Pakistan in our prayers. The church in Pakistan. I saw the church being persecuted in Pakistan. So let's remember them in our prayers in the name of Jesus. Because of persecuting the church, fighting the church in Pakistan, I saw dry spell and I saw floods.
At least 36 people have died in rainstorms and floods across Pakistan. Heavy storms in the west and center of the country have collapsed buildings and killed dozens. The resulting floods have destroyed more than 85 houses and damaged both crops and livestock, displacing thousands. Officials in Pakistan are responding to calls for aid as forecasters predict more rain.
तो मैंने चेयरमैन एनडीएमए को कहा है कि वो फौरी तौर पर सूबों के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन करें और मिलकर एनडीएमए और पीडीएमएस जहाँ जहाँ नुकसान पहुँचा है वहाँ पर इमदादी सामान वहाँ पर पहुँचाया जाए।